Hello kids, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to learn 2D shapes. First we are going to know the color's name. Olive green color, olive green color. Orange color, orange color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. This is triangle, rhombus, star, heart, square and pentagon. Black color. Now we are going to draw the shapes. Triangle, rhombus, star, heart, square, pentagon. Now we put the colors. Olive green color, triangle. Blue color, rhombus. Yellow color, star. Red color, heart. Next, orange color, square. Next, green color, pentagon. What we learn? We learn triangle, olive green color, rhombus, blue color, star, yellow color, heart, red color, square, orange color, pentagon, green color. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.